Hi guys, thank you for stopping by in my channel today. I am super excited to have you. So in today's video, I'll be showing us how to make roasted groundnuts. For the groundnut lovers, how do you make your simple roasted groundnut? So you start by selecting your groundnut. I've already selected my own here. You will separate the bad ones from the good ones. And after selecting, you use hot water to rinse. Don't soak it inside the hot water, just pour it and then rinse it out. Why are you doing this? You are removing the dirt and trying to pre-cook the groundnuts. That's the purpose of the hot water. After that, you spread it and sun dry it and allow it to dry. For the frying process, we are going to be needing our frying pan, a turning stick and salt. Yes, a lot of persons use sand, but I don't like it because it is not hygienic. You know, some persons eat this groundnut without peeling the back off. So imagine you frying groundnut with sand and then somebody eating it like that. So I use salt. So when using salt, you ensure that your heat is not too high, medium heat. Even when you are frying, you discover that your heat is too hot, off the gas. If you're using normal firewood, you can bring it down and then fry, then put it back again. You're going to be doing this process for about 8 to 10 minutes. After frying for about 8 to 10 minutes, then you need to be checking the groundnut to get the right kind of brownness you want, the kind of golden brown, so that it will not be very brown or under brown. So how do you do this? You just pick one groundnut from it and then open it, peel it and see if it is brown enough. And if it is not, just continue stirring. You see the way I'm stirring? Unlike other things, when roasting groundnut, you do not leave it even for 10 seconds. You will continue stirring it. You continue to stir it, to turn it. If not, you are going to come out with very burnt groundnut. So you keep turning it until you get the right brownness. You are looking for. Some people like their groundnut to be dark, some people like it to be light. Whichever way, once you get it, you pour it in your filter and separate the salt from the groundnut and allow it to cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then use your hand to separate the chaff from the main groundnut. Then blow it. Your groundnut is ready. This is how easy to make your roasted groundnuts at home. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my other social media handle and also send me a WhatsApp DM if you have any question at all. I'm going to leave the link to all my social media handle down below. Thank you. Bye.